Hi, good afternoon. This is Byron with First Class Marketing, here with a short video for Lake Here Remodeling on tips and tricks that you can use to optimize your website and your Google profile to generate more revenue and more traffic to your actual website. These tips and tricks can be used in-house, so feel free to use the information. As you can see, I do have your website pulled up here. And the first thing I do notice is that you have a contact button right there. You definitely want to make sure you want to add your phone number right here at the very top. That will be the first thing that customers notice. And those can help with quick conversions as well for getting customers to give you a call. And as I look here, you do have some great pictures and you have a little bit of content. Now, Google likes to see about 15 to 2,000 words or so, um, depending on the competition and the keywords on a home page. Now, keywords are basically anything that anyone types into Google searching for a specific service or product inside of Google. Now, Google loves information, so you definitely want to strategically place your keywords inside of your content so that way it gives Google how you want your website to be viewed under your terms. And then also with these pictures here, like the picture in the background and these pictures here, these can be saved as keywords as well that will help to optimize your website. So I highly suggest doing that as well. Now, this tool here that we call Arrows, this tool can be used as well by you, um, but this gives a basic analytical breakdown of how your website is doing as far as traffic. And the one thing that we look at is what they call the UR and the DR. So the UR represents how much power is going to your website, and the DR represents how much trust does Google have in your website as well. So you want to be between 30 and 40 when it comes to these two numbers, and that's going to indicate a strong website. I show you don't have any backlinks as well with any referring domains. Backlinks are basically websites that are linking back to your website. It acts as an endorser, so to speak, for your website. So you definitely want to go after backlinks that are related to your niche. And not all backlinks are created equal. Some are spammy and some can be authoritative. So you definitely want to go after the authoritative backlinks. That is going to raise more power to your website. I also show there are no keywords, and that is basically giving you no clicks per month onto your website. So as you can see, there is a lot of opportunity here. And another tips, more tips that you can use to actually raise these numbers is just adding keywords such as remodeling Austin, Texas, remodeling Austin. If you do kitchen, you can do kitchen remodeling Austin, Texas. Those type of keywords, and you want to be specific um, to the area and the service that you actually provide. So you want to use buyer intent keywords as well. Again, that is going to optimize your website and bring those numbers up here for you to see. Now, in comparison, I typed in remodeling Austin, Texas, and as we look at the results here, this is what we call the map pack section. And as we scroll down here, this is what we call the organic listing. So ultimately, you want to aim to be in this map pack section here because 30 to 40% of all traffic, whether it's customers calling into your business directly or customers actually just clicking on your website, is going to come directly from this map pack section here. And on tips on actually ranking within this map pack section here is that you want to create your Google profile, first of all. Secondly, you want to get consistent good reviews from your customers on the profile. And then also you want to make sure that you respond to those reviews A lot of customers, or a lot of businesses, I should say, they do not know to respond to customers, or they actually just don't respond at all. So you want to make sure that you do that, and that is going to actually help your position within the ranking. Also, this section here is what they call the About Me section. This is about 750 characters long. You definitely want to fill that out completely, and then also adding keywords in there as well. Again, that is going to optimize your position within a map pack. Um, Also, your business name, address, phone number, and hours. You want to make sure those are listed and have those the same across all platforms, whether it's Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, anything like that. Because the next thing that we're going to talk about is citations. So having your name, your business name, address, phone number, and hours, having those listed the same across any platform is going to help you out with citations. And citations are basically directories. So once all of your information is same across the board, you will start get listed into different directories such as the Better Business Bureau, Yelp, the Yellow Pages, and thousands more. That is also going to help rank your Google profile and again drive more traffic to your website. Now, I pulled up a competitor here just for an example. This is Austin Home Renovations. Um, as you can see, it's a pretty good laid out website. They have a contact us as well. I highly suggest just listing your number right there on the website for customers to see. Again, that will help with quick conversions, so that way they can just call right then and there. Um, they have a little bit of content. This website can use some work as well, as you can see. But as we plug them in into the errors tool, as you can see, their numbers are a little bit more increased. They have a 22 for the trust in Google, and their power is a little bit low, but they have almost 2,000 backlinks with 16 referring domains. They have about 86 keywords, so that is bringing them about 367 clicks per month to their website. So, in order to rank higher than them, you definitely want to match those numbers here, and also, or you just want to beat them out by 100. So, just taking a look at some of the keywords that they use, and you can use these on your website as well. We have Austin Home Remodeling, Remodelers, Austin, Texas, Home Remodeling, Austin, Austin Home Remodelers, Austin Home Renovations, Austin Remodel. So as you can see, they have quite a bit of keywords that they use here within their content, and that is what's helping them bring more traffic to their website. So again, as you can see, there is a lot of opportunity here for you. I hope this video was very informative and informational. I do this for a living, so if you do have any other questions or concerns or anything that I can help with at all, feel free to give me a call at any time. My information will be listed in the email as well. And I hope you have a great week. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.